What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to open Revolut business account. Now first thing you should do is to simply go to your browser, whatever browser you use. Then here you should search for Revolut business account as you can see. Now here it will give you many URLs. You have to choose the first option right here, Revolut business account. Just tap on it, then click on join now. Now to ask you which country did you set up your business in. So I'm gonna click on this icon right here. Then I'm going to choose the country that I want. And here in my case, I'll choose United States, for example. Then click on continue. Then it will show you here the legal business type. Just tap on it and you can choose whatever thing you want. I'm going to click on private corporation, for example, then click on continue. Now it will ask you here to enter your email address. So enter your email address, then click on continue in order to get the confirmation code. And after you enter the confirmation code, they'll ask you to fill in some details about your business. And after you finish filling in all the information about your business, you'll have to wait for a couple of days till they confirm your account. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.